Number 27, yes! 2 points, but don't takan. Ayun. Sayang daw. Turn around, yes. Biyahin daw! Tumagal. Why na ba? Iyoy! Ayan. 4 minutes and 28 seconds. Remaining time. 10, 8. Tumera! Wala! Nakuha ng sambayan. Nagmamadali. Ipinasa kay River Policer. Tumera! Wala! Yes. Ipinasa kay Brother Ray. Pumasok. Yes. 2 points. 2 points. Servants team. Tumera. Brother Ray. Nagawa pa rin ng servants team. Yes. 2 points. 4 minutes remaining time. Brad Francis, relax lang. Kalmahin lang inyong lahat. Kalmahin lang. Yan, pag-iasikaso ng ating oras, ha? Ating timer. Brother Ray, yes, 2 points. Number 27, ibinasa kay number 3. Wala, nakuha. Servants team, tuloy. Turn around. Ayun. Sayang. Pinasa kay number 14. Nagpapadali, pumasok. Yes. Number 27, yes. 2 points, but don't takan. Ayun. Sayang daw. Turn around, yes. Magtinginan. Yun, number 67, wala. Yan, dalawang takan nagagawan. Nakuha na isang takan. Tinagtagan ng takan na yun. Brad Raul, number 37 ng Servants team. Ipinasa kay Brad Poy Nolia ng Servants team. Number 16. Nakuha ni Brother Ray. Ipinasa kay Brad Raul takan. To Brother Philip, to Brad Francis. Yes! 2 points. Brad Francis, Servants team. 2 points. Nakuha na number 3. To number 20. Pasahan. Oh, yung oras. Number 20, Brother Ray. Tumera. Wala. Nakuha ni Brother Raul. Yan, controlling the ball, Brother Raul. Ipinasa kay Brother Philip. Yan. To number 27, 2 points. Ipinasa kay number 16 to number 67, Brad Francis. Yes, 2 points. 2 points. Nakuha na Pinoy. Yan, number 16, relax lang daw. Nagalaman pa sa akin. Nakita si Brother Ray. Nakita si Brother Philip. Tumira si Brother Philip. Oh, yes. Wala. 34. That on. Number 12. Wala. Nakuha ni Brother Ray. Number 20 na Servants team. Ipinasa kay Brother Francis. Nagmamadali. Ayun. Kinabahan. Ayun na po lang. May pinakuha. Ano? Pero takan pa rin. Number 12 tumira. Wala. Nakuha ni number 16 sa balota. Wala. Nakuha ni Brother Philip to Brother Ray tumira. Yes, 2 points. Number 12 tumira. Pasok. Yan. Yes, 4 points. 8 seconds. 4 seconds. 2 seconds. Walang pasok eh. 0. Santos number 8.
Go, Brother Fred!
Brother Fred, nagpapadali. Yes!
Yes!
2 points. Number 21. Brother Efrain Salva. Una-unang sa bayan, number 23. Pinasalan, number 0. Number 7. Wala. Ipinasa kay Brother Efrain Salva, number
Go, Brother
21.
Fred!
To Brother Ed Brian. Pagdalian. Nagpapadali si Brett Pagdalian. Ipinasa kay Brother Sai ng Servants team. Grabe paso. Corner run. Pass. Number 8. Pasok. Yes. 25. Number 8. Wala. Nakuha ni Brother Anton to Brother Efrain Salva. Yes. Throwing the ball. Ipinasa kay Brother Ed to Brother Efrain. Tumena sa Brother Efrain. Yes. 3 points. Nako. Kaso nagpapadali. Servants team. Yes. 2 points. Nako. Tumena. Pumasok. Wala.